Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how you can actually check license in your Teamviewer. So first of all guys, whenever you create a new account on Teamviewer or you open Teamviewer, you will find yourself on the free license. So how to check this out? You can go to Teamviewer and here you click on sign in. After you sign in, you will find yourself on the free license, or else you can just read this menu in here which says that free license, not non-commercial use only. So this is the freelance license for us. Now how you can actually get another license? Basically there is only one thing, which is going to their official website by going to here. Let's open that and go to Teamviewer, and here let's go to this website, and here you see the pricing. So after you see the pricing, let's click on that and wait until it loads. So here there is multiple license. There is for single users, there is for teams, and for enterprise. Here let's click, for example, for the single users. There is this one with 9 or 10 bucks per month, and there is this one with 23 bucks per month. Each one of these give you multiple options. So let's for example read this one. This one includes for license for one user. There is like 3 managed devices, a limited devices to connect from, and 3 computers to connect to, and 3 concurrent sessions per concurrent connection. Here, what is the difference between these two? This one gives you 200 managed devices and 10 meeting participants and tech support via phone. And also, if you want something to go for like multiple PCs, multiple stuff, you can go for the Teams, which gives you also multiple options like 50 licensed users to 30 licensed users, and so go on. If you have a enterprise, you can just click here and contact them, and they will give you like customize as much as you want. So it depends on how much licensed users, as much as you want. I don't know how many things you want from these options. They will give it to you and determine the price with you. So yeah guys, that's how you can check your license in Teamviewer. So if you enjoyed the video, please check it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.